What's your name?
My name is Mr. Monkey. I live in this jungle and I eat food.
And what else do you do? Do you swing from trees?
Yeah.
And what do you say when you're swinging from trees?
Ooh, 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 ooh.
What's your name?
Oh, it's a crocodile.
You're a crocodile?
Yeah.
You look more like a tiger. What does a tiger do? Rah! Hello, Mrs. Cat. What's your name?
Mrs. Cat Ivan.
And where do you live? In the jungle?
Yes.
What part of the jungle? That part?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Mr. Polar Bear.
And where do you live?
In snow.
In the snow?
Yeah.
Is it hot or is it cold?
Hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
In the snow?
And I live in a... I eat some lollipops.
Lollipops?
Yeah.